Alright, let me show you how to turn the flashlight on while recording a video on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So first of all, you have to open your camera app. Now swipe to video mode. While you are on the video mode, swipe up on the screen or tap the six dots at the top of your screen to open extra settings. Now you should see many options pop up. First, find the flashlight icon and tap on it. Initially it's set to auto. That's why you'll see an A beside the flashlight icon, meaning your iPhone will automatically decide when to turn the flashlight on. It works in low light condition, but it doesn't always detect lighting correctly. To avoid that, tap the flashlight icon again and set it to on. Now your flashlight will stay on continuously while you are recording. Now start recording and you will be recording with flashlight on, and that's it. From now on, you can record videos with the flashlight on anytime on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now if you get stuck anywhere, feel free to ask me in comments, and if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this.